Hi and welcome to Easton Walled Gardens near Grantham in Lincolnshire. We're here at Kitchen Garden, privileged to use the gardens today to film videos for our August issue.
It's a lovely, lovely garden, and here we are in June and it's absolutely lovely. It's got loads of flowers.
Yeah, so much colour.
Lots of hidden bits, aren't there?
There's always something to surprise you with every time we come, isn't there?
Yeah.
Loads of sweet pea varieties over there.
The last Sunday in June and for a week, it's well worth a visit to see the sweet peas. Easton is well known for its sweet peas, grows scores of varieties, and the whole garden will just be ablaze with them, and the scent will be amazing. Very soon, on the 16th of June, Sunday the 16th of June, there's a Father's Day event, and all the dads who come along get a copy of Kitchen Garden magazine, which can't be bad. We've got to go back to our desk now.
Yeah. Write something.
Have a cup of tea first.
Oh, good idea.
That's a good idea.
Before we do. Yeah. So please do come along. If you want to get any more information, visit www.visiteaston.co.uk.